You see it? Oh, my head's off? Let me, all right, now I'm going to zoom in on where I'm at. Oh, that's going to lift it. Here, I'm just going to go on this side. There we go. Ta-da. Can I zoom in here? Let's see here. Yeah, I can. Sweet. All right, guys. Sorry, I've never done YouTube before. Give me 1 second. Bam. There we go. All right. Multiples of 2. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024, 2048, 4096, 8. Oh, it's all right. Can you hit that button for me, bro, please? It just says probably 20%. That's what it said. It's all good. I just want to do a little bit. So 1,024, 2,048, 4,096, 8,192, 16,384, 32,768, 65,536, 131,072, 262,144, 524,288, 1,048,576, 2,097,152, 4,194,304, 8,388,608, 16,777,216, 33,554,432. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Hawaii, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri, Montana, Nebraska, Nevada, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, North Dakota, North Carolina, North Dakota, Ohio, Oklahoma, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Vermont, Virginia, Washington, West Virginia, Wisconsin, Wyoming. 3.14159265358979323846264328327 950-288-419716939937510582097494494 4592307 In the beginning, the Creator created the heaven and the earth. And the earth was without form and void, and darkness moved over the deep, and the Spirit of Yah moved over the face of the waters. And the Creator said, "Let there be light," and there was light. And God separated the light from the day, and the darkness He called dark, or night, and the light He called day, and the evening and the morning were the first day. And then He said, "Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters." And God created the firmament and divided the waters which were above the firmament from the waters which were below the firmament. And the sky He called heaven, and the evening and the morning were the second day. And on the third day He said, "Let all the water be gathered together, and let dry land appear." The dry land He called earth, and the water He called oceans. And the evening and the morning were the third day. Love is patient and kind. It's not jealous, boastful, proud, or rude. Does not demand its own way. Is not irritated. Keeps no record of anything anyone ever does wrong. Does not rejoice in iniquity, but rejoices in the truth. Does not give up. Is always hopeful. Never loses faith, and endures all things. Maybe I should switch to the right hand, Jason. What do you think about that one over there? We got a right hand. Yeah, we got a brain over here too, guys, and a hand over here too. Maybe we shouldn't just live our entire lives with one hand tied behind our back, because the hand control the brain. When someone's doing cursive, you can see through a PET scan, positron emission topography, that the brain is lighting up like a Christmas tree. So just simply doing cursive will increase neural functioning in the brain, cognitive ability, metabolism, and probably mood too, because you'll get a cascade of chemical reactions such as serotonin and dopamine, because the brain, when it starts focusing to control the hand, starts producing endorphins that calm you and relax you so that you can produce smooth, silky cursive. Also, every time you're sending signals to your hand, you're building that neural pathway that connects the brain to the hands. That electric highway can grow, and a natural byproduct of growing that electrical highway will be dense muscles, dense bones, dense ligaments, dense cartilage. That'll prevent injury. That'll help with functional strength. Also, the increase in blood flow to both sides of the brain will help with spatial awareness. So you'll literally be able to dilate time and slow down time. You'll have more confidence when speaking to people. It'll help with insomnia. It'll help with obesity. It'll help with osteoporosis because it'll make your bones denser. You'll never have to worry about Alzheimer's or dementia because you literally won't be losing your mind. Wow, how cool. ZYXWVUT Now from the outside in. AZBYCXDWEVFU, Globers, GTHSIRJQKPLOMN. No, I was just kidding about that, guys. I love you. Someone, one of the Globers super chatted me today on PayPal. Hey, you're a piece of crap. No one believes in your cult. You're a loser. 73 cents. How nice of them. Globers are contributing to my activism. Gosh, that is so nice of them. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. I know. So, all right, well, let's get rid of this stuff. It gets kind of boring. And we'll go here. Freaking hot. Are we low battery again? Hold on. Nope, we're doing good. What else we got going on here? Good to see you guys. Much love. You guys like my fanny pack? These are 3-pound solid steel balls, guys. Solid steel. You hear that? Bang, 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 bang. Whoa, almost dropped it. You guys probably can't even see me. Thanks, bro. I'll take it for sure. So they did a study in Germany and found that when people juggled for 90 days, just 10 or 15 minutes grew the size of their brain by 3.9%. The literal size of their brain, physical size. So, well, I always say don't be left or right-handed, but ideally you want to be ambidextrous and doing things equally well at the same time. So not just, oh, I can use my left hand at sometimes and I can use my right hand, but for example, playing the guitar or using a keyboard or cello or saxophone or flute or violin, all those things engage both hands and consequently both sides of the brain, which is really what you're looking for. You want to be using both sides of the brain as much as possible all day long. And if you're not juggling or writing cursive or working on your memory, the goal is to speak the King's English all times. No verbal pauses, no redundant like, okay, right, and yeah. Because what happens is if we don't speak intelligently with other people, what in the world is going to make people think we're speaking intelligently to ourselves? Huh. Ain't happening. So, and the science of cursive is well established, guys. That's why they're taking it out of schools. That's why they made everyone right-handed in the schools. We got 95% of people say they're right-handed. No, you're not. You're both-handed. Left hand for anything. Left-handers live in a right-handed world, so they're forced to use the right hand. Then the corpus callosum grows. On average, left-handers have 11% larger corpus callosums. It's the part of the brain that connects the left and right hemispheres. So what's going on there? We live in a clown world where everyone's right-handed, and the left-handers are forced to use their right hand, but right-handers are never forced to use their left hand. I've been doing little tests and experiments for the last 10 years, just asking right-handed people to do something left-handed and asking left-handed people to do something right-handed. It's uncanny how right-handed people can't do anything left-handed, and left-handed people have almost no problem switching over to the right hand. If I'm talking too fast, guys, just slow down the video later. I love y'all, dude. Here we go. Let's go back to the sled. Ah. Abyssal planes, accelerometer, Ares failure, airplane level flight, according to the Federal Aviation Administration and the Target Generation Facility, uses a flat, non-rotating Earth and negates a gravity vector. Ancient civilizations, ambient light from the firmament, the Antarctic Treaty. The pictures of Antarctica looks like a perimeter, doesn't look like an island wrapping around itself. Astroarchaeology, astrolabes, astronauts drowning in space. Should not be happening. How do you drown in space? Bardet Krenz, world record photograph, 273 miles. Should be 50,000 feet of missing Earth curve. Bedford level, buoyancy and density, bridges, canals, cannons shot straight up, experience no Coriolis. Crepuscular rays need 3 constituent parts in order to happen. You need obstruction, a localized light source, and particulates in the air. If you don't have those 3 parts, you do not have crepuscular rays. So the sun is not 93 million miles away. That's why we have hot spots and halos and sundogs and sprites. There's a firmament up there. According to the second law of thermodynamics, the gas has to be contained. That's on the NASA website too, by the way. Just check that out. Daytime full moon, daytime lunar eclipses. Dynamo threshold's never been reached. Ask Dan Lanthrop at the University of Maryland. Let me see if I'm down to 10% yet. Equinoxes, eye level horizon. Famous explorers like Auguste Piccard, Captain Cook, and then fauna and flora in the north and south is drastically different. If you compare climates and varying temperature variations in the north and south, totally different. Antarctica on average is 50 degrees colder than the north. Frozen lakes have no curvature. The gimbal around a gyroscope does not rotate around a gyroscope, and airplanes fly level. So someone want to explain that one, that'd be great. And don't say this level is curved, because that's not true. You're literally just lying and making stuff up, okay? The Maldives, lowest average elevation above sea level, 6 feet. Michelson-Morley, Michelson-Gale, microwave repeaters, guys. Go listen to the engineers that talk about microwave repeaters and how they have to cover the Fresnel zone with the line of sight, so the wave's going up and down, and they have to account for any obstruction, and they never account for Earth curve, ever. And they got a 150-mile world record microwave repeater. Whew! I'm not even tired, I'm just switching it up. Let's go back to these balls again. So, if anybody wants training, I've got one client, Mark Fields. Mark, we got to talk later, but I think he's going to sign up. Dude's awesome. Just met him down in between Pensacola and Panama City. I don't remember the name of that place. Fort Pierce. Awesome. I'll take it. All right, guys, I'm just going to kill the video. That's it. I'm done. I love y'all. Jason, thanks for the coffee. Go follow Crow 777, Jason Lindgren, Signs of Saturn, Rose 777. They are amazing people and actually way more intelligent than I even knew. I don't follow them that much. I knew they were amazing, humble, generous people, but I didn't know they were super smart, super smart. So love you guys. Take care. Peace out.